Welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel Ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, March 9, 2025. Bugoy Carino and EJ Lor are now married. Congrats to the newlyweds. Former child actor Bugoy Carino and volleyball star EJ Lor are married. The couple sealed their relationship with a church wedding in Tagaytay on Sunday, March 9, 2025. Bugoy and EJ got engaged on September 3, 2023, during his birthday celebration, in front of friends and loved ones. Gusto ko lang sabihin and ipagsigawan sa lahat ng kaibigan ko na nandito, kaya napaka-importante nyo sa akin, na itong babaeng ito, papakasalan ko, Bugoy told guests, with EJ at his side. Itong babaeng ito, mamahalin ko hanggang dulo. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. He then popped the question to a surprised EJ, EJ, mahal na mahal kita. Will you marry me? In January this year, Bugoy and EJ shared photos from their volleyball-themed prenup shoot. EJ donned a yellow sweater with a white skirt and veil. Bugoy, meanwhile, sported a jacket over a white suit plus tie. March 9, 2025, bride, ring and groom emoji, wrote Bugoy in his post on Instagram, pertaining to their wedding date. Bugoy and EJ's relationship endured rough patches as they kept it hidden to avoid public scrutiny and judgment. Bugoy was just 16 years old when he got EJ, who was 21 at the time, pregnant. The unexpected pregnancy disrupted Bugoy's burgeoning showbiz career with ABS-CBN. Rumor has it that Bugoy, who started as a child actor after winning the talent search show Star Circle Kid Quest in 2009, was suspended from the noontime show It's Showtime, where he regularly appeared as part of the boy group hashtags. This led to Bugoy losing more showbiz opportunities just as he was preparing to become a father. EJ, meanwhile, was a volleyball star player for the UST Golden Tigresses in the University Athletic Association of the Philippines. She was named Rookie of the Year in UAA PAS Season 77 in 2014. EJ didn't suit up for UST in 2017 due to chronic shoulder injury. However, a rumor started going around that EJ skipped the season because she's pregnant and not because of an injury. Initially, Bugoy and EJ denied the rumor. The two came forward on September 3, 2020, openly admitting that they have a child together named Scarlett. Noong naging tatay na ako, parang nawala lahat ng mga gusto kong gawin, Bugoy told veteran newscaster Karen Davila in a vlog interview. Lahat po, natanggal talaga. So, yun, talagang nagbago po talaga yung buhay ko. Bugoy candidly said that he regretted EJ's pregnancy as he was too young to be a dad. Sa akin kasi, parang masakit po talaga noong una na parang ganon nga, 21 years old na siya, syempre yung edad niya, parang okay na siya huminto sa pag-volleyball niya, said Bugoy, okay na siyang magkaanak kasi 21 years old na siya. Sa akin po kasi, parang yung mga magulang ko, kapatid ko, hindi po talaga sila sang-ayon. Nagalit po sila, yun yung time na parang yung career ko, pataas na po ng pataas. So parang siguro, na-confuse lang ako sa sarili ko dahil nga naisip ko na, bakit? Ang aga pala talaga, so parang nawala lahat sa akin, so masakit din po sa part ko na noong naging tatay ako, yung family ko, hindi ko na masyado matulungan. The uncertainty and pressure were too much that the young couple thought of having the baby aborted. Ito po, sasabihin ko na po talaga, una po talaga, ang desisyon namin is ipalaglag na lang yung baby. Okay, sabi ko, kasi bata pa po ako noon. Hindi ko po alam na parang buhay pala yung mawawala kapag ipinalaglag mo or something. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, isish, para lang mabalik yung career ko. Alang-alang na lang syempre sa family ko, para makatulong ako ng sobra and para maibalik yung mga shows na ibinigay sa akin, yung tiwala sa akin ng ABS, maibalik sa akin, sige ipalaglag na lang. Bugoy and EJ eventually dropped the thought and decided to keep the baby. Mga 1 week na nakapag-isip-isip po ako kasi nagsisearch po ako sa cellphone na ano ba mangyayari kung ipapalaglag, anong mangyayari sa bata, sa baby, kung buhay ba talaga siya sa loob ng tiyan, kung ganun ba kalaki. Sine-arch ko po yun. Sabi ko, ay, baby na siya, tao na. Kapag ipinalaglag ko pala ito, parang ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking kasalanan na magagawa ko sa buhay ko. Kinausap ko yung family ko, si EJ, sabi ko sa kanila, Ma, itutuloy ko na ito. Kay Lord po kasi talaga ako kumapit noong time na yun lalo na, sobrang stressed ko, sobrang dami ko iniisip, sobrang bago ako matulog, nagpe-pray ako lagi. Sabi ko sa mama ko na, Ma, itutuloy ko na ito. Wala nang atrasan ito. Sinabi ko na rin po sa papa ko. By choosing to keep their baby, Bugoy and EJ not only embraced parenthood but also strengthened their relationship, proving that they could withstand the toughest challenges. Now, they are officially husband and wife. Congratulations, Bugoy and EJ. Best wishes. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates. Like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, paalam.